Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. Today we will learn a bird logo. For this, go to the ellipse tool first. Set the width and height to 200 pixel. After this, right-click on mouse and create another circle and set it on 100 pixel. Now drag a line. Rotate this line at 45 degrees, you can also rotate it by using the Shift button. Select all these and go to the Align tool, set these to the center align. After this, pull this small circle and place it on big circle. Drag this line little bit down. Now create a straight line. Which line is drawn? Make another duplicate copy. Then follow the line segment tool again, and create another line. Now create a 50 pixel circle. Put that circle under the big circle. After this, make 2 more circles. Put one under bird wing and another one under face. Create another 20 pixel circle and put it on the face of the bird. Now adjust all these shapes. Then select it and now color this bird. You can fill any color. After filling the color, go to the object and expand it. After this, go to the Pathfinder tool and select Merge. This will merge it. I give gradient color to this bird. Group these shapes. The bird logo done with the help of Grid System. I hope you like this video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.